Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you guys exactly how to wear two or more face accessories on Roblox at the same time. So let's say you want to wear a mask and glasses. Normally, if you tried to put them on the normal way, you wouldn't be able to wear both of them at the same time. But in this video, I'll show you guys exactly how to wear both of them at the same time on both mobile and PC. So on mobile, you're going to have to head over to the Roblox website first. If you're just on PC, you can just head over to the Roblox website. So as you can see, here I am on the Roblox website. If you are on mobile, then you want to head over to your avatar editor, and then you want to request the desktop site of the Roblox website. And once you have the desktop site, you'll be brought to this page here. Now on this page, if you want to wear multiple face accessories, what you want to do, you want to head over to your face accessories first, obviously. And on the face accessories, as you can see, I have multiple things I might want to put onto my character. Let's see, if I try to wear this mask, and let's say these visors, then it will just take the other one off when I try to put both of them on. As you can see here, it switches between the two. So to actually wear both of them at the same time, what you want to do, you want to equip the first one that you want to have on. So let's say I want to keep this mask on. Then once you do that, you want to go to advanced in the bottom right corner of your screen. You might have to scroll down a bit all the way to the bottom of all your accessories on the first page if you have a lot. But once you see the advanced option, it should be there on mobile as well. Once you find it, just click on it and you'll see this asset ID right here. What you want to do, you want to copy this. So just copy it. And once you copy it, you can just head over here and put on the second visor or the second face accessory that you want. Now, once you do that, you can head back to the advanced and then paste in the actual asset ID for the mask. Once you do that, if you click save, are you sure you want to override your current look? Just click save. And once you do that, as you can see here, it will now have two face accessories on at the same time. That is how you can wear multiple face accessories at the same time. So if you want to add more to it as well, then what you would do, you would want to have that saved. And then once you have that saved, what you want to do, you want to throw on 150k shades. And then once you do that, you wait for it. You want to copy this and then get rid of that. And then let's see. So you're going to want to put on the bandit, paste this in, and then you can actually get the asset ID by going to the item, and then if you look in the browser for the link of it, there should be numbers here. I'm pretty sure this is the asset ID. So if you actually just copy that, head back over here and paste it in, click save, then it should apply it as well there, as you can see there. You just want to head over to the items shop and then just copy the numbers that are in the link right here, the one right after catalog, and then you can just paste that in and you can wear even more than two face accessories at the same time. As you can see, it's not loading right now, but it does have all three of them put on right now. However, keep in mind that you can only put on up to 10 clothing articles for your character. So I'm pretty sure that if I head over to, let's say, t-shirts or shirts, or I don't have any pants, nothing. Okay, let's head over to the front. Let's say I put on this Nerf chest armor. As you can see, I'm pretty sure it takes up another one of the spots on the advanced option. So if I head over here, I don't know why it's not loading, but I'm pretty sure you can only have up to 10 accessories at a time. So just keep that in mind as you're building your character. That is how you wear multiple face accessories at the same time on Roblox. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, I'd really appreciate a like and subscribe. If you have any questions you have in the comment section below, I'll do my best to answer them. And I'll see you guys next time.